Look, this is no ordinary fruit. This is special wild kiwi, small fruits hidden among the vines in dense forests, which the forest dwellers carefully pick, bring home and wash with cold water. The clean kiwi skins are slowly peeled off. Then they are cut into round pieces. Inside it glistens fresh, green color, soft and full of juice. Then sugar is mixed in and left to rest. By the next morning, these fruits soak up the sweetness of sugar and are fully prepared. They are steamed, cooking lightly in steam. Their green color changes to a light yellow. Now these pieces are spread out on a large bamboo tray and placed in bright sunlight. The sun, air, and time start to transform them. The remaining kiwi is mashed into a
Jolly Jolly.